so fresh.
It's flight time now, so I really waited last minute. It's literally like 8 something. It's literally like 8 something, and I still am not done packing. Like, I got to the point where I don't even know what to bring. I'm just throwing stuff together. Let's see. Flight is until like 1:45, and I'm just winging it. I'm just throwing anything in the bag. And I gotta clean my room. Like, it's like the last hoorah before Miami. 1 second. We locked and blocked. Let's get it. Good on my neck like I'm Florida, boy. Alright, I'm gone. Listen good, listen good, listen good, listen good. Time, man. We about to go to Florida, baby. Expectations. Damn, the dog's looking at me. Expectations. I don't have none. I just know it's gonna be a lot of big booty. Like, let me stop. I don't really have none. I'm going out here with a clear, sharp mind. You feel what I'm saying? Rolling Loud, man. It's gonna be crazy. That's all I'm gonna say, man. Rolling Loud is about to be crazy, man. But it's about to be an experience of a lifetime out here. You feel me? Oh, yeah, we vlog it, man. I can't vlog. I'm obviously not gonna be able to vlog everything because that's just impossible. This vibe about to be something special, man. Listen. I'm gonna try to get this. I'm trying to get more comfortable vlogging. You feel what I'm saying? I'm becoming more comfortable vlogging, you feel me? Hold up, I need to fix this camera, bro. Cause it's like it's leaning back like Fat Joe. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, there we go. Tyler, this is about to be an experience. Probably first, right when we land, hopping in the pool. I don't know if I'm gonna hop in the pool, but to keep it 100, I probably hop in the pool. It feel good. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, almost ended this whole vlog. Almost crashed. Stuck at the light now. Bro, I'm stuck at the light. Like, man behind that bus and slowed me down a couple minutes. Cause we supposed to dip from at 9:30. It's 9:32. I'm like, after I pick up my homeboy, y'all recognize him from the probably from the other ones, the other vlogs, like the Cali vlogs, New York vlog. You feel what I'm saying? I pick up my homeboy, then meet my cousin at his, joint. And then we out of here. Well, going to the airport, obviously, but you feel me? I should be lathered and splattered, dummy. Yeah! Yeah! I'll pop the trunk. Huh? I'll pop the trunk. Come on, man! You vlogging? Hell yeah. They ain't scream up my wife.
What you doing on the camera, dummy?
God. Don't vlog. Oh shit. Don't vlogging, man.
That's some good shit on.
I'm about to cut mine off right now. I check back in when we're at the airport. I check back in. Then. Finally here, man. Finally here. TSA was TSA as usual. You know what I'm saying? You got something to say? You got something to say?
Good niggas.
Oh, you heard it here first. Live. From TSA himself. You got something to say, Sean?
What's up?
You're a clown, man. Where you trying to get some food from?
I'm trying to go to Mickey's.
Oh, you can get the They good?
That's what me.
No, you know anything. I said that right there. That's special. A mix.
Oh yeah, the crab chips? I don't think they got that. Honestly. Yeah, boy. It's the outside, you know what I'm saying? We in the crib. You know how it is. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you see the vibes. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I don't know what that is, but you see the vibes. You feel me? Look at the, you know what I mean, paintings. You feel me? Different drip. Look at the fit, huh? Getting a little chubby. Wait till I get back. I'm gonna be, you know what I mean, cut it like a back and do. Feel me? I pull out joint. I won't pull out. You feel me?
You can.
I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, close. Yeah, you already. Got the, you know what I mean, you know what I mean, you know what I mean. It's the upper bed, you feel me? You know what I mean? Got the prison weeks, you feel what I'm saying? There's different vibes. Upper echelon. Yo! I'm edit that out. Got the closet. You know what I mean? Got a different vibe. This is the master bedroom. You know what I mean? Yeah. Got the double. Y'all got a big shower. I was trying to get it to work. Bluetooth, you feel me? I don't know. You know what I mean? Y'all see the pool, hold up. Y'all see the pool, man. Y'all see the pool, man. Different types of vibes, man. Oh! Motherfucking gecko. Scared me. Get you. Yeah, different vibes, man. Different vibes. You see the pool. Look at the vibes, man. This is my little ganja, I ain't gonna lie to you. Right on the lake. You feel me? This is definitely that. I can't lie. I will admit. It's top 5 in all my Airbnbs. Only been in 3. But oh! My bad, cuz. I done stepped on. Got the grill in the, you know what I mean? Yeah! Oh shit!
Don't you take this shit. Don't you take it.
Vlog day 1. The vibe. This is only day 1. 7 more days left. Love Miami already. Signing out.
We have a night.